as a trainer, as well as a massage therapist, I often find that I'm doing both with clients, training them and then also helping them with different body work and pain relief techniques. And what I want to share with you today, this afternoon, is a very simple pain relief technique that you can do on yourself anywhere, anytime, any place, literally. So you often hear the term pain in the neck or my neck is aching. I'm going to show you a quick way that you can work on yourself for a few moments, regardless of where you're at. Okay? What we're going to start doing is we're going to intertwine. You notice I didn't say interlock, but just intertwine the fingers. We'll take the fingers and we'll place the hands, intertwine, in the back of the head, thumbs down. And then you're going to go to the base of the skull and you're going to gently start to press in. Now you'll feel a little bit of a groove on each side of your neck because your spinal column is in the center. And what we want to do is just gently, it already feels good, push into that area with your thumbs. Now if you have some Tiger Balm, you want a little bit of oil, you can also slide that down. How far down do you go? Well, it depends on how flexible your arms are. Just to the base, right there. We'll show you some other things you can do for other areas of the neck as well. But if you're sitting at your desk, stoplight, any place, you can do this yourself. How long? Depends on how much you enjoy it. 2 to 3 minutes is pretty optimal. You may decide that you want to do it for 3 to 5. You may be sitting and you can lean back, you can open your chest, you can drop the chin down to the chest. Just experiment with it. All right? Become your own physician, become your own therapist. And always, as we say, take care of your body because it's your greatest investment and the only place you have to